What's up, everyone? My name's Addie. I'm a junior here at Monmouth. Today we're going to go around campus asking students and staff what some of their favorite Monmouth moments are. Let's go. What's your favorite Monmouth memory?
Hiking the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu with my students.
What's your favorite Monmouth memory?
Taking pictures at all the games.
What's your favorite Monmouth memory?
Well, I just got here, but meeting the guys, getting to go Coach Braun and all the staff, it's been great so far.
What's a fun moment you've had here at Monmouth?
Playing pickleball with my friends.
What is your favorite Monmouth memory?
Okay, I would probably say my favorite Monmouth memory was from August of 2003 on bid day when I became a Pi Beta Phi.
What's your favorite memory here at Monmouth?
Whenever we beat Lake Forest my freshman year.
Nice. All right, what's your favorite Monmouth memory?
Becoming president of Kappa.
What's the most fun you've had here at Monmouth?
I would have to say the homecoming parade.
What's your favorite Monmouth memory?
I'd probably just say like going on overnights with the football team.
What's your favorite memory at Monmouth?
My favorite memory at Monmouth was medaling at conference for cross country and getting all conference honors.
Those were some great memories to hear from our students and staff. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite Monmouth memory?